Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with the account that has billing authority. You need root or billing permissions to view payment methods. Once signed in, go straight to the billing console and open payment methods. Make sure you have another payment method or a plan to close services. AWS won't accept removal if active subscriptions require payment. If you see only one card, pause and add an alternate or confirm all billable services are settled. Once done checking prerequisites, inspect all billing dependencies. Subscriptions, reserved instances, savings plans, marketplace purchases, and unpaid invoices. You must settle invoices or move resources to another payer account. Next, remove the card via the Billing Console Payment Methods panel. Choose Remove or Edit and Delete. If the console blocks you, use the AWS CLI billing and organizations commands to detach payment instruments. Make sure you run commands with appropriate IAM credentials and confirm removal in the console afterward. To finish, confirm the payment methods list reflects the new default or shows no card if permitted, and verify the next invoice generation will use the chosen method. Make sure account status is active and no pending charges remain. If removal fails, one key troubleshooting tip: gather the account ID, billing invoice numbers, and screenshots, then open a billing support case. AWS support can clear locks caused by unresolved marketplace or partner charges. You'll be guided through any final steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.